Yes, good morning children. Beta, in last period we have studied till question number 5th exercise 20.2. Okay, and today we are starting from question number beta 6th. And what is that question? See here. Okay, 9 is 45% of what number? 9 is 45%. 45% of what number? What means x? What means x number is what? 9. Understood? 9 45% of what number means unknown number. For that what we have taken beta? X number is equal to 9. So 45% means beta 45 upon 100. Of means multiply x is equal to beta 9. Okay. So 45x is equal to 9 into 100. Cross multiplication will be there. Okay, it will go in cross multiplication. So x is equal to beta 9 into 100 upon 45. So 9 5 ja 45, 5 2 ja 10, 0. So x is equal to 20. X is equal to beta 20. See that now. Now see that beta 15% of what number is 25. Okay, 15% means beta 15% of a number is equal to is equal to here. Okay, how much? 25 is 25 is equal to 25. 15% means beta 15 upon 100 of multiply a number means x is equal to 25. So 15x upon 100, same question is there, is equal to 25. So x is equal to beta 25 into 100, and this will go 15 in denominator. So 5 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 25. So x is equal to beta 500 upon 3. Okay, now divide it. See that what will become your answer. So beta, if you will divide it, it will come 166.6 it is coming. Okay, this one x is equal to 166.6 it is coming. Okay, now come to the question number 7. Question number 7, one or two part I am doing and one part I will leave for your homework. So you also try in the same way as I am doing. Okay beta. See that beta, question number 7 now. And what is the question? Find 50% of 350. 50% means beta 50 upon 100. Of means beta multiply. Whose 50% you have to find? 350. Okay. So make them cancel. 0 will cancel by 0. Okay. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 7 ja 35. So it will be 50 into 7 or divided by 2. So it will cancel 25 or 25 7 ja 175 will be your answer. So see that how much simply you can do. Only you have to understand the concept or the meaning of the question, then only you can do them. Okay, it is not difficult, it's so too much easy beta. Okay, so beta, B part of this question I am leaving for your homework. 65% of 12, it's the same as A part, so you will do this part yourself. Now I am coming to the C part. 1 upon 2%. It means beta, first of all you just simplify it. 10 2 ja 20 or 20 plus 1. See that 10 2 ja 20 or 20 plus 1 beta 21. So 21 upon 2% of 164. Percent means divided by 100. So 21 upon 2 into 100. Of means beta multiply or whose 164. In this way you will do. So what it will become beta? 21 into 164 or divided by 2 into 100. Okay. So see that how many times it will be cancelled? 2 8 जा 16 और 2 2 जा 4. Now multiply them. 21 into 82. Okay beta. So see that what the multiplication will come. So beta, if you will multiply them, it will come 1722 divided by 100. Okay, so here decimal is here, so in this place the decimal will come because you are dividing it by 100. So in the left side decimal will shift, so it will be beta 17.22, and this will be your answer. Okay, this will be your answer. So in this way you will do the question. Okay, now beta see that question number 8. 8% girls of a class of 55, like total number of students are how many beta? 55. Okay, like adventure sports, how many girls like adventure sport? So 8%. So what you will do, you will find the 8% of 55. Okay beta, so 8% of 55 is equal to beta 8 upon 100 multiplied by 55. Okay, so see that what it will be, 8 into 55 upon 100. Make it cancel now. 5 2 ja 10, 0, or 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Still by 4 they both can be cancelled, 8 and 20. Okay, so see that how it will be. 2 4 ja 8, or 4 2 ja 8. You just cancel by the table of 4. 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja 20. Okay, now further cancellation is not possible, so 11 2 ja 22. So see that beta, it will be 11 2 ja 22 or upon 5. If you will divide it, it will come beta 4.4. So 4.4 girls are not possible. So what will be your answer beta? 4 girls like adventure sport. Okay, because the girls cannot be in the parts, it should be a whole number. That's why you just take as 4 will be your answer. Okay, see that now beta, in a city 40% are female, 50% are male, and remaining are children. Beta, whenever the question is given in percentage, previously also I taught you that it should be always 100%. Okay, suppose that children, sorry, male female are written na? So female plus male plus children, if you will add them, they should be beta 100%. Then only the 100% population can be for any city or any town or whatever is there. Okay, so female is how much beta? 40%. So write here 40%. Male is how much beta? 50%. So write 50% here. Children, remaining are children. We don't know how many percentage are children there. So plus write X%. Should be equal to total. Then only 100% population can be formed. Okay. Now see that 40 plus 50, how much it will be? 90, or plus X% is equal to 100. Now see that 90% or plus X% is equal to beta 100%. So you just shift this 90 on that side. Here it is positive. On that side it will be negative. So X% is equal to how much beta? 100% or minus 90%. So what will be the X% will be how much? 10%. So children percent is how much? Children are how much beta? 10%, and that will be your answer. So in this way you will do this kind of questions. Okay, now see that beta, if 75% of students in a college have motorbikes, same question as we have done just now, what percent of the students do not have motorbikes? So what you will write? Students have motorbike, students have bike percent plus percentage of students do not have bike, do not bike is equal to total, how much it should be? 100%. Then if you will add them, then the 100% children should come. Okay. Now see that the children, those are having bikes, how many of them they are? 75%. So write it 75%. Plus who percentage of the students do not have bike. So how many of them they are? X%, because we don't know them. Is equal to what will be? How much? It will be 100%. Okay. So X%, you just shift this on that side, it is positive because in front of this not any sign is there. So it will be beta 100% or minus 75%. Again I am repeating in the while I was teaching you the algebra, at that time also I taught you that the some children like that 75 minus 100, that is wrong. Okay, first this number will come which is already remaining there. पहले वो नंबर आएगा जो ऑलरेडी जिसका वहाँ प्लेस है, और जिसको आप शिफ्ट कर रहे हो वो उसके बाद में लिखा जाता है, आफ्टर दैट. ओके, इन द पार्ट ऑफ द एल्जेब्रा आई टॉट यू दिस थिंग by forcing it more and more time. Okay, so X% will be equal to beta how much? 100 minus 75, 25. So here you will write that the student do not have bike are how much? 25%. So orally also you can do these kinds of question. Now today after this teaching all these things, I will give you this kind of question for your practice. The better is that you just complete them, okay, in your homework. Now see that beta, question number 11. Ranu bought a basket full of apricots. Apricot is a kind of fruit beta. Apricot, peaches, oranges and kiwis, means 4 kind of fruits are in the basket. Which one? See that apricots percent plus peaches percent plus oranges percent or plus kiwis percent is equal to, then the total number of fruit will be beta 100%. Okay, then it will be 100%. Are you getting it? As earlier we are doing. Apricots is how much beta? Now see that in question what you have to given. If 30% are apricots, so under apricots you write that 30%. Okay, and apricots 20%, see that 20% are peaches. Peaches are how much beta? 20%. Okay, 15% are oranges. Oranges are how much beta? 15%. Okay, oranges. Then what percent are kiwis? Kiwis are not given. Then what percent are kiwis? Means for kiwis you just take plus kiwis, only just write kiwis percent. Okay, is equal to how much beta? 100%. Okay, now see that 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 15, 65%. See that, write it here now. 65%. Okay, plus kiwis percent is equal to total how much beta? 100%. Okay, 60. So kiwis percent will be beta, kiwis percent is equal to beta 100% or minus, as earlier we were doing, 65%. So kiwis percent is equal to how much beta? 35%. So it was the first part of the question we have solved, that find the kiwis percent. Percent are kiwis. Okay, what percent are kiwis? This part you have completed. Also find the number of kiwis if there are 80 fruits in all, means the total number of fruits are 80. See that total fruits in basket are how much beta? 80. So what you will find, number of kiwis is equal to number of kiwis is equal to kiwis percent is given to you 35% of total fruits. Then only you can find total fruits. So 35% mean beta 35 upon 100. Of means multiply. Total fruits are how much? 80. Total fruits are how much? 80. So make it cancel now. 24 ja 80 or 25 ja 100. By the table of 20 I have cancel them. 5 7 ja 35. 7 4 ja 28. So 28 kiwis are there. How much? 28 kiwis are there, and this will be your answer. So one answer is this one and one answer is this one. Means in percentage form also you have find how much kiwis percent is there, and number of kiwis also you have find. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now we are going to do the last question from this exercise. Okay. Now see that beta Madhumita saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. Okay. Every month. है ना? If this is 10% of her salary, means this amount whatever she is saving, that is 10% of her salary. Okay. What is her monthly income? It means how much amount she is means spending. Okay, not saving. That is, it means 90% of her salary she is not saving. See that 10% of salary is how much beta? 4,000. Okay, we don't know her salary how much is there. So 10% is beta 10 upon 100. Salary means we don't know. No, monthly income we don't know how much. You just state x is equal to how much? 4,000. Okay, so 10x upon 100 is equal to how much beta? 4,000. Okay, so 10 1 ja 10 or 10 10 ja 100. So x upon 10 is equal to how much beta? 4,000. Okay, so x is equal to 4,000 multiplied by 10. So x is equal to 40,000, and this will be her salary, and this will be your answer. So how much simply you can do the question? See that first of all try to understand the concept of the topic. Okay, you have to understand the concept of the topic and what he would like to say in the question. आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है? He said that 10% of salary is how much? 4,000. So you just sign, because salary we don't know. So consider it at x. So 10% means 10 upon 100, and then simple calculation part is there. 10x upon 100 is equal to 4,000. So x upon 10, make it cancel, is equal to 4,000. So x will be 4,000 into 10. So x is equal to 40,000. Okay. So in this way you will complete this exercise also. So beta, whatever I taught today, on the basis of that, the same kind of questions I framed for you. Okay, you just try to complete them. 15% of 250, answer should come 37.5. 20% of rupees 2,500, answer should come 500. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are males, and remaining are children. What percent are children? So try to do this question also. I am not giving you the answer. You just do yourself on the basis of the previous question. And Ram saves 20% of his salary every month. If he saves rupees 6,000 every month, then what is his monthly salary? This is also the question for you. Okay. And its answer should come beta 30,000. How much? 30,000. So up to here you will do the homework questions also. Okay, I am showing you. Just note down them from the video and do these questions yourself. These are other than your book. Okay, for your practice. Okay, and then in the next class again we will do the next exercise of your chapter. Okay. Note down them in your copy and then solve them. Maybe everybody of you have noted them. Okay, see that and then complete them.